Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on digital functional skills. On the day of your assessment, log in to the NOCN hub. You'll be given your NOCN ID and your password. Then click into My Learning Dashboard. Then into Visit Test Dashboard. Then into Take Test. You will then go to your instructions page. Here it will tell you about Part A and Part B. Once you're ready, you'll click here to say that you've read, understood the instructions and that you agree to adhere to them. Then click I'm ready to begin. You'll then see instructions for the Part A. You'll click on to proceed. From here, you'll start with your scenario-based questions. You'll be able to view the instructions we've just previously seen.
You'll see the time that you have left in the assessment and this will count down.
You'll see how many marks you'll gain for a correct answer. You'll see the question area. And on the left-hand side, you'll see any documents. At the bottom, you'll be able to change the background colours or the text size. On the right-hand side, you'll see a key code. So for answered, that will be green. For red, that means that question has not been answered. Grey, the question has not been visited. For purple, it's marked for review.
You can mark this to come back to later to complete.
And a mixture of the purple and green means it's been answered, but it was marked for review. If you want to clear the response, you can click Clear Response. To go back, click Previous.
To move on to the next question, you'll click Save and Next. Once you have completed all of the questions and you're ready to submit, you'll click on to Submit. This will give you an exam summary.
Once you're ready to move to Part B, you can click Yes. If you would like to go back, you can click No. Once you're ready, you'll be asked to click Yes. You'll then be asked if you're sure you would like to submit. If you are, you can click Yes. This will take you to Part B.
These are multiple choice type questions.
You'll see different instructions for this. Once you're ready, you'll click Proceed.
For multiple choice type questions, please click on the answer you think is correct and then click on to Save and Next. Once you have attempted all of the questions in Part B, click Submit.
You will not be able to return back to the assessment. You will then exit the exam. We also have some further support on our website. Thank you for your time and best of luck.